Hey guys, so what we'll do today is we're going to cover a little bit of BODMAS. I did recently get a new mic, so I've spent a little bit earlier testing it out and it seemed to do pretty decent, so I'm hoping the audio for this video would be pretty clear. Now this would probably apply to students in late primary school or early high school, so BODMAS. And this just applies to the order that you do basic mathematics in. So what it stands for, BODMAS, is it's a sequence that we want to follow, and we want to go from left to right when we address these types of questions. So knowing that, what we want to start off with is our B. B is for brackets. So brackets first. If we have any equation, we want to solve the brackets first. Next is order, which applies to power. So let's say like x squared, 6 squared, that would come second. Third, in the equation you're given, we're doing division. So we know with the division sign. Now, M is for multiplication. The times sign. A, addition. Plus. And lastly, to wrap it off, S for subtraction. Yep, so excuse the handwriting, but brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So that's the order that we'll go by. Now keeping that in mind, we'll go through a couple questions. If we see 5 times 6 plus 3, it's easy to just go left to right. You see 5 times 6, you get 30, plus 3, 33, which is the way to go in this case. But let's say with a different question, 3 plus 5 times 6, the order that you go, left to right, is going to matter now. So if we went left to right, just without BODMAS, we do 3 plus 5, which is 8, 8 times 6, which is 48, and that's going to be incorrect. What we want to do when we follow BODMAS is we want to make sure we go down the chain. So are there brackets? No, there's no brackets here. Is there any powers here? No, there's no powers. Division? No. So the next thing is multiplication. That's what we want to do first. So 5 times 6 is 30. Then last thing, addition. 3 plus 30, 33. So that's how we follow BODMAS. Now let's say we get to harder questions. Like let's say we get So how do we do a question like that? So moving left to right, again, that's generally how people look at equations. 5 times 6 is 30, 6 plus 3 is 33, but following BODMAS, what we want to do is we want to start with the brackets. So 6 plus 3, that's going to give us 9, and then 5 times the brackets, 5 times 9 is 45. So that is how we start off doing BODMAS.